This is Pirate Pete. He's a little boy. Pirate Pete wears a nappy underneath his big pirate trousers. He uses nappies to do wheeze and poos in. This is Pirate Pete's family. They don't wear nappies. Daddy pants, mommy pants, big girl pants. Only Pirate Pete and his baby brother wear nappies. It's all right for the baby to wear nappies, thinks Pirate Pete, but I want to be more grown up than that. So Pirate Pete and his mummy go down to the pirate store to see what they can find. First they look for a potty. Which one do you think he'd like best? The fish one, the duck, the pirate, the red one, the spotty one, or the boat? Which is your favourite? Pirate Pete is excited by his new potty, but just what is a potty for again? A funny hat? A toy boat? A very useful storage box? Your potty is for doing your wheeze and poos in instead of your nappy, explains Mummy. This seems funny at first, so Pirate Pete practiced sitting on his potty just to get used to it. Next, Pirate Pete chooses some grown-up pirate pants, green ones, purple ones, spotty ones, stripy ones, star ones, heart ones, duck ones, and an anchor. Which is your favourite? Pirate Pete feels grown up in his special big boy pants. He practiced pulling them up and down. This is easy, thinks Pirate Pete. So the next time he feels like he needs to wee or poo, he sits on his potty. He sits and he sits and he sits and he sits until finally a teeny tiny little wee comes out and tinkles into the bottom of the potty. Pirate Pete's mummy then teaches Pete some special pirate potty rules. Number 1. After you use your potty, especially for a poo, remember to ask Mummy or Daddy to help you wipe your bottom with toilet paper. Always wipe from front to back. Number 2. Flush it all away in the toilet. It might make a loud noise, but that's just lots of water making the toilet clean again. Number 3. Then you should wash and dry your hands. Sometimes, however, Pirate Pete can't get to the potty in time and accidentally makes a mess on the floor. Don't worry, Pete, his mummy and daddy always say. We know you were trying hard. We still think you're a very clever boy. Soon, Pirate Pete is used to doing a wee in his potty, but he finds doing a poo much harder. It feels so funny without his nappy on. But he keeps on trying until one day, Pirate Pete managed to poo in the right place. He shows his mummy, he shows his daddy, he shows his big sister, and even baby. How they all cheer! Pirate Pete feels like a proper grown-up pirate now. Only the baby still wears nappies. But one day, Pete's little brother will have a potty adventure of his own, and Pete will be able to show him just what to do.